Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. 𝐖𝐡𝐚𝐭𝐬𝐀 and a CV registered research analyst. So as you must have seen, market today corrected. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty refused to go above their high, morning range high. When I say morning range, it's the first 15 minutes candle. So what I want to really talk about today is a stock which is on my radar and which looks very, very good. And let's talk about the stock. So the stock that I'm going to be talking about is RHIM, RHIM. First, I'm going to talk about the various uh, parameters which are looking good, and then I'm going to talk about its price. So if you are interested in learning, as you got to know the name, choice is yours. You want to stay till the end, you want to learn about the stock, how do you select a good stock and everything. Stay tuned till the end, or you can just come out of it. That's fine with me, perfectly fine with me. So have a look at the company. The name is RHI Magnesita India Limited. The market cap is 8,724 crores. Current price is about 541. High and low you can see here. Stock P is 32.6. Book value is 63.8. So that means it's trading way above its book value. Dividend yield is pretty much low, which is 0.46%. ROCE is 36%. ROE is about 30%. Let's come down and see what is recently happening in the company. Company is almost debt free. Company is expected to give good quarters. CAGR, it has maintained over 5 years as 31%. ROE is about 24.5%, and company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout. So what is so concerning about the company? It's almost like 8.49 times its book value. Now let's come to compare it with all its other peers. If you have a look at it, the rest of the peers are Vesuvius India, IFGL Refractories, Morganite, whatever, and out of them P is definitely very high, and market cap, it's got the biggest market cap out of all the companies. So that's a very, very nice point. Let's look into their sales. Sales have been pretty much consistently growing up, and have a look at the operating profit margins there that have been very, very good. And then comes, what is happening into their sales year on year basis. Sales definitely has become 6 times in last 10 years, a good sign. Expenses have also gone up, and the operating profit margins have been continuously increasing. There is not even a linear, there is a good, what do you say, proportionate increase in the operating profit margins. Then we come to the share capital, and I'm more interested in looking into the results. In 2012 जो रिजर्व 63 करोड़ के होते थे, अब 1000 करोड़ के हो गए. अब very, very important point to note. Borrowings जो 16 करोड़ की थी, अब थोड़ी सी बढ़ गई हैं, 71, 62, 65 करोड़, which is fine. Why? Because see what happens. अगर कोई कंपनी को ग्रो करना है तो उसको लोन लेना पड़ता है. तो बोरोइंग्स कोई बहुत ऐसी मैसिव बोरोइंग्स नहीं है, but they're pretty reasonable. And there are some liabilities which are also way less than the results. Now let's look into the cash from the operating activity. They have been producing pretty much decent cash from the operating activity. Only the last year, like last financial year, ended March 2022, the cash from the operating activity was not very, very good. Now, what are they really doing from their cash from the operating activity? They are actually investing quite a bit. So here, cash from investing activity, see here, all of it, these are the places where they have invested some money. They're purchasing regularly some fixed assets, so which is a very positive point about the company. And debtor days have gone up. That's a slight concern about the company. But if you have a look at the promoter's stake, it has been growing year on year basis from 66% to 70%. Whereas FIIs have reduced a slight, they reduced and then now further they are increasing their positions. DIIs are pretty much invested, and general public is increasing their stake in the company. Now let's look into the company, what exactly the company do, right? So the company, first let's see what the company is. So they are into the refractory industry. So if you do want to understand what is refractory, so anytime a metal need to be molded, कोई भी metal को अगर आपको mold करना होता है तो उसको high temperature पे heat करना पड़ता है. तो high temperature पे heat करने के लिए आपको 1200 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर चाहिए. तो उन्होंने लिखा हुआ है our mission is to make innovation to 1200 degrees and beyond. सो अगर किसी मेटल को इतना आपको हीट करना है उसके लिए आपके पास कंटेनर होना चाहिए, which is not possible. So what he's saying, RH Magnesita is the global leader in refractories. It's one of its kind in globe. We have the largest number of locations around the world and the most innovative, reliable products and services. We also provide the most robust supply and quality security thanks to our exceptional vertical integration, from mining to production to full service solution. And then they are talking about what we do. So what they're saying, refractory products are used in all the world's high temperature industrial processes. Without them, the steel, cement, lime, non-ferrous metals, glass, energy, environment, and the chemical industry couldn't exist. Refractories defy the most hostile conditions to stay strong and stable at temperatures of 1200 degrees centigrade and much higher. So this company is one of its kind, like that makes it a unique company. Now I'm going to make the video very small, so let me bring you here to the company's price. So have a look at the company. From almost like the company has been existing for a good period of time. Its IPO was launched in 2013, somewhere around at the price of 40 rupees, and today it stands at almost like 541 rupees. So over almost 9 years, the price has almost 10 times. Like no other place you will get such a huge return. Price has been 4 times. Now what I want to show you here, that in this particular price structure, the stock had fallen down because when 19th April onwards, from high of 673, it corrected to 462. Almost like 200 points. Now, after that, it has bottomed out. It has reached to a support level of 462. If you go and see it in the past, it has experienced support over there as well. Now, on this particular day, which is 4th of July, a lot of buyers entered into the stock. Here, right, when you see this powerful candle, that's when this particular day, 4th of July, sorry, 30th of June, buyers entered into it. And then after, the upward journey started. And again today, it has given a very powerful breakout and overtaken this seller sitting at the level of 540. Now our buying is going to come right above this place, which is 543. We will enter into the stock above 543. Our targets, our stop loss is going to be somewhere around 514, and our targets are going to be, first target is going to be 570, next target is going to be 590. After 590, our next target is going to be 608. Next target, which is a very strong resistance, is going to be 620, and after 620, our next target is going to be 640, right? These are going to be our targets in this particular stock. The stock name is RHIM, RHIM, and I have explained you all the details. The company looks strong. The fundamentals, there are some points which need to improve, like debtor days have gone up, or for example, their debts have increased a little bit. Those are slight concerns, but their sales have been growing. Operating profit margins have been consistent, and their ROC and ROE has been pretty good over last 5 years and last 3 years. So these are the points, which makes company a good company, and RHIM looks to me standing on a very good place. When this seller, and this particular day on 13th of June, when the sellers got activated, that price has been taken out today. The closing has been above that. So Tomorrow we can have an entry above 543. Now, please, in case suppose you enter at 543 and the price comes down, because we are talking about investment, we are not doing an intraday trade, we are not doing anything else. So what you have to do is, in case price comes down, accumulate some more at about 514, then some more at 500, then some more at 580. Your last stop is going to be 462. I don't think so it's going to go below 462. But in case you can do your pyramiding of the stocks, you can buy some quantity here, some here, some here, some here, and some here, and that is how you will be able to create wealth. So what is my next video? So my next video is going to be on dividend paying stocks. How can you generate monthly rental income by creating this kind of a portfolio that I'm going to be discussing. If you all want to hear that, write it in the comment box, give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And also, do not forget, on every video of mine, you will find the link of my Telegram channel, and you will also find the link of morning live trading that we do from 10 to 11. So if you want to make money, please join us. We will make a lot of money. Today also we gave some beautiful trades which gave excellent returns. Like today itself, people made huge amount of money. So join us and you will not regret the decision of joining us. So let me just show you where you will get all the details. So this is my latest video. Even today's video, you can see that. You have the link of the Telegram channel. It'll straight away take you to my Telegram channel. And this is the link of live webinar that we conduct where we do live trading with you and where people make a lot of money. And we keep posting those. Like, for example, today in the live market, we have given care rating. Care rating is a stock that we have given early morning. If you want to have a look at it, we had an entry at 455. Somewhere here, we gave an entry at this place and it made a high of 492. You can go to the channel and see by yourself. You know, you will be able to see yourself that we gave it almost at about 930. So keep learning, keep earning, and if you like my work, please give a thumbs up. And all the best, guys. Take care. See you in the next video.